Hello guys, hello, and we are going to code Flappy Bird game in our own way. Okay, yes. So let's start by creating a index.html file. Yes, a style.css file and a script.js file. So we are going to name the JS file a little different, and then there is another file that we're going to add in the later steps of the video. So let's start with index.html. So first we have to add the same old classic doc type HTML. Great. So we have a doc type HTML, and now we are going to start HTML tag. This is where all the codes are going to be in, so this is very important. Then the language we are going to use is English, so EN. And we can, because anywhere on the HTML document when we click, there should be a function jump, because like the ball which we are going to add should go up. So we are going to add on click is equals to jump. And yeah. Just a minute. Yes. This much. I hope you can see this. Right? And yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I like it should not be capitalized. I do not use capitalized, so it should be like this only. In HTML there should be head tag. Inside it meta. Inside meta we have to write charset, which we'll use as, which I currently is going to use as UTF-8. We're going to use the 8th one. And then we are going to add the title tag. It basically provides the title for the title bar. So we can write remake of Flappy Bird. Ooh, this looks catchy. After the title, we have to add a link in which we style sheet and href is equals to style.css. We are going to save it here, and now body tag. Body. Inside body tag, we are going to add a div known as game. Inside this, we are going to add 3 divs, okay, which is going to be block, whole, and character 1 or char1. We are going to write char1, char1, because it's going to be easy. So let's start. Div id is equals to game. Inside this div id is equals to block. Div id is equals to whole, and div id is equals to char1. Okay, now we are going to link it with the script, which is going to be script src is equals to script.js. Boom, done. No problems here. So we have successfully completed this. Now we are going to do style.css, a bit of styling, so it will look good. Okay, so we'll write first in style.css we'll add a body one. This will change the properties of body. We'll write background image URL. This, yeah, inside this I already have an image which according to me it's pretty pastel. It's not like that much of a gaming one. So if you want to change this, you can put your own link. Currently I put this link. Body is complete. I'll do this much only for this. Now for an anonymous. Yup, for in this we have to write padding, which will be 0 by default, and also margin we'll keep as 0. Oh, sorry. We now this is actually the proper way of writing codes. This is also not. We have to write it like this. We can do this through an extension too, which is Beautify, but I don't want to really do this right now because it will take time. Hashtag game we'll like define it and the game. Yeah. Inside this, we'll keep the width as 400, height as 500, border as 1px. This write it width. We'll keep as 400px. Height will keep as 500px. Border will be 1px. It would be solid. We'll keep it solid, or you can keep it dashed too. With now we can choose the color. I'll keep it Alice blue or antique white. Wait, sorry. Here, yeah, antique white. This is the best. I like this color because it's not that dark. But with here we can also change it like a bit bluish for this. Yes. Or we can choose violet. It's your choice. I just like this, I'm choosing this. Margin we'll keep as auto. And overflow will be hidden. We'll keep the overflow as hidden only for now. Hidden. Okay, next we'll take the block. Hashtag block. And yeah, so we'll keep the width as 50, height as 500. Let me just pause it. Yeah, I hope it's paused at your end. And okay, I've written this all. I'll explain this. So we have taken this as the background color, which for the block, so that like red for what's blocking it and green for what's allowing it. Now we'll like make the keyframes. At the rate we have to write at the rate keyframes block, and yeah, write these codes which is there. If you do not understand anything, you can see the description box. This code will be explained in that only, because I'd like to make the video short. So yeah, here also, oh wait, MD enterprise, wrong thing. Okay, this we'll keep this here. Okay, currently I'm not going to make it that proper because we have to first concentrate on analyzing it. We don't have to rush it, we have to analyze it properly. Okay, now I've paused it at your end so that I can write it. Let me just yes, here you go. Width is equal to 50px, height is 150px. If you want the codes, the script.js codes or the style.js codes, these will all be available in the description box, so you don't have to worry about that. You have to write this whole thing. If you need it in an emergency or something, you have it. There's but before copying you should analyze it, so let me explain it to you. Width, height, these are the whole classic things. Background color will set the color of the background. You can also choose image or something, but image, trust me, would be looking very bad in this situation. Position will be relative, and the animation we have already defined here. We have kept it as same. Okay, and last one, character 1. Width 20px, height 20px, background color will be RGB 155, 232 and 216. Position will be absolute, top will be 100px, and border radius will be 50%. And now we'll do script.js. So inside the script.js, we have to start it. And now, first we have to put variable block, which is equals to document dot get element by id block. And now we'll do that for the rest of the variables, which I'll probably skip. Yeah, so this is done. Now we'll add this command right here, and we'll add the set interval function, which would really help us in this function. I'm going to wait for like 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so let's continue. Now, as you remember, here in index.html, we put on click jump. So we are going to utilize that function now. Function jump, we are going to write, and this is the last function. Here you go. This is just this much of code is required to make Flappy Bird basic. So we made a remake. This is the script.js. Okay. Now I'm going to go live. It's an extension you can find over here in this bar. Now I'm going to change the screen. Just a minute. You have to wait. Okay. Yups. So it's going to work like this. As you like, I click anywhere, it's going to go up. Currently, I'm not going to play it and show you, otherwise it's going to take a lot of time. So that's all for now. Thank you for seeing this. Share it with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. If this video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to make Flappy Bird Advanced. Thank you. Bye.